If sine of sine inverse 1 by 5 plus cos inverse of x is equal to 1, then find the value of x. Using the property of inverse trigonometry function, solve for x now. This can be written as sine of x is equal to y, as you know already. Sine x equal to y, and what about x? X equal to sine inverse of y by the property of inverse trigonometric function. So this can be written as sine inverse of 1 by 5 plus cos inverse of x is equal to sine inverse of 1. Sine inverse of 1. Now simplify this. That is sine inverse of 1 by 5 plus cos inverse of x is equal to, this can be written as sine inverse of 1 can be written in the form of sine, that is sine 90 or sine pi by 2. Sine pi by 2. Next step here it is sine inverse of 1 by 5 plus cos inverse of x is equal to sine inverse of sine theta is theta by the property of inverse, that is pi by 2, because of sine inverse of sine x is equal to x. Here it is sine inverse of sine pi by 2 is pi by 2. Now if you conclude that is sine inverse of 1 by 5 is equal to pi by 2 minus cos inverse of x. For right hand side, plus cos inverse x becomes minus cos inverse x. As you know the property of inverse trigonometric function, that is sine inverse of x plus cos inverse of x is pi by 2, or sine inverse of x is equal to pi by 2 minus cos inverse of x. That's why pi by 2 minus cos inverse x can be written as sine inverse of 1 by 5 left hand side as it is. This can be written in form of, that is sine inverse x by the property of inverse trigonometry. Now that is sine inverse, both sides sine inverse get cancelled, or one sine inverse come outside, that is a sine inverse becomes, that is 1 by 5 is equal to sine inverse becomes sine, that is sine inverse of sine of x. This sine inverse comes right hand side as sine, that is sine of sine inverse of x is x, that is x is equal to 1 by 5. X is equal to 1 by 5 is the solution. Next problem here it is 2 tan inverse of cos x equal to tan inverse of 2 cosec x. Find the value of x. Okay, this is, as you know, the property of 2 tan inverse x. Okay, for left hand side 2 tan inverse x. As you know the property of 2 tan inverse x, that is 2 tan inverse x is 2 tan inverse of x is, it is tan inverse of 2x divided by 1 minus x square. Because of the right hand side in terms of tan inverse, that's why tan inverse 2 tan inverse x in terms of tan inverse x is tan inverse of 2x divided by 1 minus x square. Here it is x is replaced by cos x is there. That's why this can be written in the form of RHS, that is tan inverse of 2 x is replaced by cos x divided by 1 minus cos square x. 1 minus cos square x, that is equal to tan inverse of, okay, 2 cosec x can be written as 2 as it is, cosec x is 1 by sin x. 1 by sin x. Next simplify this one, that is tan inverse of, that is 2 cos x divided by 1 minus cos square x can be written as sin square x, because of sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. Next here it is right hand side tan inverse of 2 by sin x as it is. 2 by sin x as it is. Both sides tan inverse cancelled out, or tan inverse of x property is not, both sides tan inverse and tan inverse get removed, then this simplified becomes 2 cos x divided by sin square x, that is equal to 2 by sin x. Both sides 2 cancelled out, 1 sin x term cancelled out, remains as cos x by sin x equal to 1. Cos x by sin x is also be called, that is cot x is equal to 1, or 1 can be written in the form of cot, that is cot pi by 4, that is x is equal to pi by 4, or else that is cot 5 pi by 4 is also possible. That's why x having two values, x equal to pi by 4 or x equal to 5 pi by 4, or the respective values or respective unknown values for this inverse trigonometric function.